Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We are uploading bicycle square related goods regularly. In this video you will find Schwinn Coston adult electric hybrid bike, step-through and step-over frames, multiple colors. Technical details, item package dimensions 57.48x, 33.86 by 9.84 inches. Package weight 33.6 kilograms. Brand name Schwinn. Warranty description limited. Model name Coston. Color gloss blue. Material aluminium. Suggested users unisex adult. Manufacturer Pacific Cycle Incorporated, part number S7541XS. Model year 2022. Style DX step-through. Included components electric bike. Size X small/small.